Hello, I am Dr. Amy Naprick, an integrative pharmacy specialist and the founder and CEO of PIVOT Integrative Consulting. Welcome to Medication Class of PIVOT Snippet. Today we will be discussing heart-healthy functional foods. Here is the necessary disclaimer. Dietary supplements are not evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with your own healthcare provider before changing any of your medications, starting a weight loss diet, or taking any dietary supplement. This presentation and other information on my website are for information and educational purposes and should be independently verified and assessed before making any personal healthcare decisions. Let's talk about heart-healthy functional foods. Heart-healthy micronutrients include omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, magnesium, vitamin K, potassium, coenzyme Q10, folate, nitrates, and certain spices. Omega-3 fatty acids include ALA, DHA, and EPA. A healthy ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids is between 1 in 3 and 1 in 6. But the standard American diet is more like 1 in 10 and up to 1 to 25 or even more, which can be very inflammatory. Increasing the amount of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet can provide a healthy balance. Omega-3s come from fatty fish. Just remember the acronym SMASH: salmon, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, and herring. Omega-3s are also found in nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts, and heart-healthy oils like avocado oil and olive oil. Vitamin D is more like a hormone than a vitamin. Vitamin D requires exposure to sunlight to be made in our bodies. Many Americans do not receive the adequate UVB rays from sunlight that are needed to make vitamin D and have very low levels. A range of 40 to 60 nanograms per milliliter have been shown to prevent most diseases related to vitamin D deficiency. Foods that contain vitamin D include mushrooms, eggs, and fish, like salmon, herring, tuna, and cod liver oil. However, it is difficult to get enough vitamin D from foods, and supplements are usually recommended. Always talk to your healthcare provider or pharmacist before starting any supplements. Magnesium helps to regulate calcium, sodium, and potassium, and it is estimated that 75% of North Americans ingest less than the recommended daily allowance of magnesium. Magnesium helps to activate over 300 enzymes and biochemical reactions in the body. People deficient in magnesium are twice as likely to suffer a cardiovascular event, like a heart attack. Magnesium is found in pumpkin seeds and other squash seeds, nuts such as Brazil nuts, almonds, cashews, and hazelnuts, grains like quinoa, brown rice, and buckwheat, as well as okra or brewer's yeast. Vitamin K describes two fat-soluble vitamins called quinones. There is vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. K1 is found in plants and leafy green vegetables. K2 is created by intestinal bacteria. It can also be made from K1. The dietary sources for K2 are limited to foods like egg yolks, butter, and fermented soy. Vitamin K is necessary for proper blood clotting. It also helps to promote healthy bones. Vitamin K2 is also known for promoting heart health. Vitamin K is found in our green leafy vegetables like turnip greens, spinach, and also the other green vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, asparagus, and green beans. It's also found in butter, oats, and eggs. Potassium and sodium work together to maintain fluid homeostasis, or that fluid balance, in our body and individual cells. Potassium is also necessary for our body's electrical system, which causes muscle contractions. Since the heart is one of our most important muscles in the body, it is important to maintain appropriate potassium levels. Potassium supplementation is usually not necessary unless a person is on a group of blood pressure medications called diuretics or has some sort of kidney dysfunction. Potatoes, legumes, leafy greens, bananas, and avocados are good dietary sources of potassium. Coenzyme Q10 is essential for energy production in all of our cells. The body makes less CoQ10 as we age and is not abundant in food sources. Often a CoQ10 supplement is necessary to counteract depletions and deficiencies for optimal health and wellness. Coenzyme Q10 is found in fatty fish like anchovies, mackerel, salmon, and sardines. Remember, smash! It's also found in brassicas like broccoli and cauliflower, pork, spinach, and legumes. Folate is part of our body's detoxification pathway. It is also necessary for the prevention of neural tube defects in babies. So pregnant women or women who wish to become pregnant should pay close attention to their folate levels. Some people, such as myself, have genetic differences that does not allow our bodies to convert folic acid to its active form and must take a methylated folic acid supplement in order to absorb and use the folate. Folate is found in legumes, almonds, asparagus, eggs, walnuts, leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, and brassicas like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Nitrates and nitric oxide increase blood flow, relax blood vessels, decrease blood pressure, decrease plaque formation, and are anti-inflammatory. Foods that are a good source of nitrates include arugula, cabbage, garlic, beets, and pomegranate. Pomegranate is especially important for heart health and has been shown to reduce blood pressure, plaques, and blood vessel wall thickness. It's one of those heart-healthy superfoods. There are also some spices and seasonings that are heart-healthy, including garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Most of these work by reducing inflammation in the body. Here is a list of references for this presentation. Are you ready to pivot to functional health and wellness? Is this your year to discover underlying causes of disease and feel your best? Contact me today for a free 10-minute consultation and connection call. Info at dramynaprick.com. Also, check out my website at www.dramynaprick.com for more presentations on this and other topics. Thank you for listening and allowing me to be a part of your health and wellness journey today. Wishing you a blessed and productive day.